Hello guys, welcome to a video. This is my cursor, the B over here. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a clicker game. Just choose a sprite. Let me just get this code over here out of. Wow, there's a debugger. Where did this come from? I don't know where that came from, but let's just delete this thing. Okay, is clicking your thing, then drag out this, 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 and do mouse down, and then you have to set is clicking cookie to yes. Wait until not mouse down, set clicking cookie to the. So this is inaccurate. So to make it actually work, just drag a when flag clicked forever if then equals is clicking cookie, go to yes, and make a thing called cookies. And then change cookie by 1. If clicking cookie equal to no. So this is actually inaccurate. Then it just, and also change cookies, just change size. It sets the size back. So this is what it is. Okay, so you see this. Yeah. Wait until not mouse down. And we also want to set the cookies to 0 with the flags click. Okay, so you might see this problem. Okay, so what do you want to do? Do this. So, and when we click it, okay, we're clicking. So it just does do that. So you want to get the variable away and change, and it's working. But it does not look that cool because you want it to change size, and that's easy. And you see this, change size by drag music, West Beats, and set it back to its normal size.